Naturally Cookie here, coming to you with another video. Today I will be making Cactus Leave-In Conditioner that is wonderful for your hair. Alright, so here I've already have 2 cactus leaves that I've already taken the thorns off of and peeled and beat and chopped up. I'm going to show you on this last one, I've already did the other side, how I get the thorns off. I just take a small knife, lay it flat against the cactus, and just go against it like that, and it just pops. They pop off. Try carefully not to take the meat of the cactus off. Like I just did there. I also have already trimmed the sides of this one. Next, I take a Clorox wipe, and I know that's extra, but I wipe the top of it off. I've already soaked these for 4 hours in water and vinegar to clean the outside. But after I do that scraping of the skin, it pulls up more dirt off of the skin of the cactus. So I like to wipe that off with a Clorox wipe. Alright, my other side is already done. Next, I'm going to take a meat beater. It's a meat tenderizer or a meat beater. And I'm going to beat holes in the side of the cactus. This is going to open the cactus up and allow the gel that's in the inside of the cactus to start seeping out. And I'm going to take my knife and I'm going to cut it up. And you should already be able to see the gel seeping out of your cactus. And I'm going to place that in my jar. I'm going to slice this one down the middle so you guys can see a little bit of what I'm talking about. And that's what I'm talking about. Cactus is just like aloe vera. It has gel in the inside of it. The benefits of cactus, though, is better than aloe vera. And I'm going to clean up my mess here. Give myself a clean working station. Alright, now I'm going to take some bottled water and I'm going to cover my cactus with water. You can use distilled or bottled water, or if you have filtered water at your home, you can use that. And I'm going to add about 2 bottles of water. I had 3 ready, but I'm not going to put that third one. I think I'm only going to do 2. And once again, this is 3 cactus leaves and 2 bottles of spring water. Next, I'm going to cover this bowl with plastic wrap, and I'm going to allow this to sit overnight. You want to let it sit at least overnight. Sometimes I let mine sit for 24 hours. Okay, I will be back tomorrow to show you guys the next step. Okay, you guys, it has been soaking overnight, my cactus. You see that? That's what I wanted. I wanted some of the slime or the gel from the cactus to start seeping out into the water. And that there, what you see, is the slime that has infused and mixed with my water. That's why it has that consistency in the water. Now I'm going to blend everything, even the water, together. So I'll be right back once I pour everything into my blender. Okay, I have the mixture in my blender. I did have a little of the gel water left over. I'm going to go ahead and first I'm going to start on puree, and then I'm going to gradually increase to cream and then whip on my blender on high level. Okay, you guys, I'm showing you what I am doing. I'm taking the stocking, I am pouring my mixture into the stocking. And I like to do what I call the closed ring method with the 2 fingers here, my thumb and my pointing finger. Close in on the stocking and just pull. And that way I can take my fist of the rest of my fingers and squeeze. Pull, squeeze. There's still some, don't know if you can see, there's still some pulp at the bottom of the blender. And this is what got strained out. Now you can use this pulp here to rub on your skin. It's good for eczema and itchy skin. This will soothe your eczema and your itchy skin. but I am not going to keep this. I'm going to discard of this pulp. I'm going to get my Clorox wipe and clean up my area. And this is the juice that I have. I'm going to transfer this juice now into my bottles, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, and here you have my finished product. I was able to render 2 of these 14-ounce bottles, as well as this 1 8-ounce spray bottle, and I still have a little bit left in my bowl here. Now, this recipe, you do not have to follow it exactly to the T. You can add 1 bottle of water if you choose to instead of the 2. Of course, I added 2 because I wanted to put mine in a spray bottle. I'm going to use mine as a daily leave-in moisturizing conditioner. However, like I said, if you want to join thicker, you can just do 1 bottle of water or half a bottle of water, or you don't have to add any water and just go straight to the blending and blend yours up and then squeeze out what juice you can squeeze out from there. Once again, like I said, I let mine soak in the water because I like for the gel to seep out first before I start to blend my mixture up. If you want to add some more extra benefits, you can put any of your Ayurvedic herbs in here, like aloe vera powder. You can add horsetail. What is another one? Shikatai. You can add marshmallow powder. You can add any of those will be a great benefit to this mix. Henna, amla, any of those. You can add honey. You can add MSM. That will also thicken your solution up. You can add your solution to any of your favorite conditioners, leave-in conditioner or your favorite deep conditioner to give it an extra boost or benefit. You can add it with your aloe vera gel or juice as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, everyone stay blessed. This is Naturally Cookie. If you have not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. Share this video with your family and friends. Please